Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Propolis Salve. First, gather your raw propolis, making sure it is clean and free of debris. To prepare it for infusion, freeze the propolis for about 1 hour. This makes it much easier to break apart. Then, grind the frozen propolis into a fine powder. This step is crucial for maximizing the extraction of its beneficial compounds. You will need about 1/4 cup of this powdered propolis to begin. Next, we will infuse the propolis into a carrier oil. Choose a good quality oil like olive or almond oil. Combine your 1/4 cup of powdered propolis with 1 cup of this oil in a double boiler. Heat the mixture gently for 2 to 3 hours, ensuring the temperature remains low to preserve the propolis' properties. This slow infusion allows the beneficial compounds to transfer into the oil. Afterward, strain the warm oil through a fine mesh to separate the solids. Now, let's add the beeswax to create the salve's consistency. Measure out 1/4 cup of beeswax pastils or finely grated beeswax. Place your strained propolis-infused oil back into the double boiler. Add the beeswax to the warm oil, stirring constantly until it has fully melted and integrated. The beeswax will help solidify your salve, giving it a pleasant texture. Make sure the mixture is smooth and uniform before proceeding. Finally, it's time to pour and store your homemade Propolis salve. Carefully pour the warm mixture into clean, sterilized jars or tins. Let the salve cool completely at room temperature. It will solidify as it cools. Once firm, label your containers with the product name and the date you made it. For best results and to preserve its beneficial properties, store your finished Propolis salve in a cool, dark place away from direct sunlight. Enjoy your natural creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.